Yunus Kodai.
Very dangerous athlete here.
Very dangerous. Look at his face. Very, very scary. So much power.
Very loud scream there.
Listen to the voice.
All those steps.
Like a tiger. Wow.
Powerful steps as well. Those stomps.
Wow. Look at the part 20. Very,
Very
high.
high.
Good landing. Great job. And he already got gold medal in yesterday Nantao category.
Wow.
Very fast, very powerful.
Not stopping even at the transition to the second section.
Yeah.
Very strong stamina.
What a movement. But one problem, his explosiveness is a little bit
Dropping in performance.
Yep. And this
Now
is
into the
just
third section,
the second
yeah.
section. Wow. And let's see. His stamina
A bit of,
still,
yeah, a bit of performance drop though.
still fight to the end. And the final section. Final strikes. And let's hear his voice at the final moment. Wow, great loud voice from
Yeah.
Yunus Kodai.
Very strong performance.
Very strong performance from Iran athlete.
صدا زنگ و زد تیم نداد اون ضربه بزنه هر دو تاشو اعتراض کرد تموم کرد الکی یارو یه سر داره به من نیشخند میزنه اون متری به خدا داره در میاره کارو خب چرا فرستاد بره مگه وسط راه نیست
Final score 8.970.
And the final score is, of course,